Oh, now I'm recording.
Oh, are you?
I am. I figured it out. No, I don't know if I can stop it.
Hi.
Micah just had his first double stuffed Oreo
Yay!
in his life.
So if I'm acting kind of weird,
And-
it's because of the Oreo.
Yeah, and how did you like it, Micah?
It threw off my balance,
He's now going to see how many he can stuff in his mouth at once.
No.
No. I'm not going to do
Take
that.
us in the room.
Oh, I can zoom. Oh, look at that.
Where are you zooming in on?
Oh, your face.
Can I put my hand in front of the camera?
No.
Why not? Can I put my finger in front of the camera?
So, Marcia, what do you think?
Oh, is this going to Marcia?
Well,
Hi, Mom.
we're going to try. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Bingo!
We spent all day at the beach. They got a little sun.
Or 5.
This is our living room. Our sofa.
I make video cameras.
Not me again.
Hey Marcia, we're having double stuffed Oreos. We're on vacation.
All right.
Hey.
You're one to